Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can overview your health and performance on your system in Windows 11. So in order to view this feature, you can access it by click on your system tray and click on Windows security icon. So you can double click, and here in the Windows security there are some options and you can click device performance and health. As you can see, this is a report of from this system report on the health of your device. Last scan is today that I made this video, like there is no issues on my storage capacity, apps and software, and no issues on Windows time service. Here, this is very important to me, maybe to you, that your Windows or your system is running normally without any problem. So here you have to check this device performance and health occasionally. And here there is a fresh start. Start fresh with a clean and up-to-date installation of Windows. So this is very important. You have to keep update your Windows. So you can update, like click check for updates on your system settings. Here last checked is today, and you can check it manually. Just click on check for updates. So this will keep your personal files and some Windows settings and remove some of your apps. In some cases, this may improve your device startup and shutdown experience, memory usage, store apps performance, browsing experience, and battery life if you use the laptop or notebook. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.